Clear the slate. Okay. Once again, I will read the problem and then we will solve. Am I audible properly, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is the second? Okay, what is the problem? Once again, I will read problem for you guys. काय झालं? Okay, I will read the problem. A settling tank is designed for an overflow rate of 4,000 liter per meter square per hour. Okay, it is given to you. So this we will consider erase. Let me erase first. Okay, so what is given to you? Overflow rate is given to you. We can say it is a Q. Q is given to you 4,000 liter per hour per meter square per hour. Okay, then what else is given to you? What percentage of particles of diameter 0.05 mm and 0.02 mm will be removed in this tank at 10 degrees Celsius? Okay, temperature T small t is given to you 10 degrees Celsius. Then diameter of one diameter is, we will give the notation D1 as 0.05 mm. Okay, then D2 is also given to you and that is 0.02 mm. Okay, this much data is given to you. Now what we need to find out? What is the question? What percentage of particles of diameter? This diameter particle, what percentage will get settled down? And this diameter size particle, what percentage, what amount of percentage will be settled down in the given tank? This is the dimensions of the sedimentation tank provided over here. Okay, now we will solve. So first of all, we need to, let me check some messages are there. Okay, old messages. So now, first of all, we need to find out the settling velocity of the tank. Then we can find out the settling velocity of the particle. And then we can find out the percentage of amount of the particles which will be settled down in the existing design of the sedimentation tank. Okay. So this way you can solve this problem. So first of all, what we need to do? We need to find out the settling velocity of the tank. So how to find the settling velocity of tank? Now I can find out the settling velocity of tank by using the equation which we have seen in a last lecture. Okay, what was the equation in last lecture? To find out the settling velocity of the tank, we can use the equation Q by A. We have derived this equation, is it? So Q by A. So what is the Q? Value of Q is given to you. So first of all, we will take the value of Q in a proper manner. It is given to you in a liter per meter square per hour. So we will convert it into meter. Okay. So Q by A, this is Q by A actually. Okay. So Q, value of Q is 4,000 liter per hour. Okay, is it? So instead of that, I will convert this value. Okay, I will convert this value into meter cube per second. How to convert it? Who will tell me? So given value of Q, that is discharge, is 4000 liter per hour. Now I'm asking you how to convert it into meter cube per second. Simple. Tell me. Someone can tell me, please. Huh? Who will tell me? सांगते का कुणी?
10 raised to minus 3.
Yes, into 10 raised to minus 3. And hour we have to convert it into second. So it is at denominator. So I will convert it into denominator by multiplying by 60 by 60. Because 60 minutes, 1 hour, 60 seconds, 1 minute. So it is 60 by 60. Is it? So this way our Q, value of Q will be, yes please, value of Q will be
0.33 into 10 raised to minus 3.
Okay, let it be like this only. We will keep first into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 3600. Okay, now what we want to find out? We want to find out the Vs. Vs is equal to, Vs is nothing but Q by A. Okay, so I will write down here the equation for Vs is equal to Q by A. Here itself, while telling the overflow rate, it was told that overflow rate is of 4000 liter per meter square, means value of A is given as a 1 meter square. Value of A is equal to 1 meter square. So Vs is equal to 4000 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 3600 into 1 into, sorry, meter cube per second. Okay. So this is the Vs. Then you can calculate and find out the value of Vs. Tell me value of Vs now. Calculate and tell me the value of Vs. So what we need to do something else now. Yesterday also we were converting the units. Here it is given to you in a meter cube per second. So now Vs here, that one, when we are taking 1 here, it is going to be converted into 4000 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 3600 meter per second. Is it? Because it is a meter square and here meter cube. So it becomes a meter per second. This is velocity, settling velocity. Again, the Vs is equal to, we need to convert it into mm per second. Okay? Or centimeter per second at least. So convert it into mm per second better way, because you will have to find out, or if you are finding the settling velocity, convert it into centimeter per second at least. Please find out the settling velocity in a centimeter per second. And tell me the answer.
1.12 into 10 raised to minus 3.
1 second. 1
मॅम
point
सेंटीमीटर मध्ये आहेत का?
centimeter per second. हा, काय सांगितलं तुम्ही आन्सर?
1.12 into 10 raised to minus 3 ते मीटर पर सेकंड सांगितले.
Okay. Then how to convert it into centimeter per second? Convert it into and tell me. I will write my answer.
Oh yes ma'am, correct
है ना? Whether all other have solved the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who else solved? Who else solve this answer? Let me know. Good. Sonali Shinde. आला का सगळ्यांचं इथपर्यंत? If you have not finished, finish it. I will give you 1 minute and then we will solve the further. This is the settling velocity of the tank, sedimentation tank. This is the settling velocity of sedimentation tank. Okay. So here I will write, this is the sedimentation tank. This is the settling velocity of sedimentation tank. Now, what we have to find out, what percentage of particles of different diameter will be settled down in this sedimentation tank. Okay, we need to find out this. Now, how to find out this? Okay, so how to find it? Now, here, the particle, there are two types of particles are given to you. First is having D1 particle whose size is 0.05 mm diameter. Correct na? It's a particle. Now here we have to find out the settling velocity of this particle. What is the equation to find out the settling velocity of the particle? Vs is equal to rho s minus, ss minus. We will take into in this form. That is okay. We can take ss minus s. Sorry. Again, equation is, I am writing wrong equation and you people are not asking me to change equation. It is 418 into bracket ss minus 1 into d square. This is the equation. Okay. Am I correct? Or whether I have written wrong equation? If yes, let me know, please. Now here, what you need to do here? This is 418 into bracket SS. SS is the specific gravity of particle. So usually spherical silica particle in a sedimentation tank are having 2.65 to 2.67 as a specific gravity. If it is given to you in an example, you can take it. If it is not given, you can take it as a 2.65, 2.66 or 2.67. So I will take here 2.65 minus 1 into bracket into d. What is the d? For which particle we are finding? We are finding the settling velocity of the particle whose diameter is 0.05 mm. Okay, so it's a 0.05 mm. Now find out the settling velocity here. So in which form it will come? It will be mm per second square. Is it, sorry, mm per second. Okay, then calculate and tell me. $1.724. Answer is given by Nikita Bhagwat. Okay, it is, what is the answer? 1.724. 724. Now it is in a mm per second. But we have determined settling velocity of settling velocity of the tank in a centimeter per second. So we will convert it into centimeter per second. Now let me know what is the answer. If it is converted into centimeter per second, So it will become 0.1724. Is it? If you are writing up to 172, that is also fine. Okay. 1724 centimeter per second is the settling velocity of the particle whose diameter is 0.05 mm. Now, what is the question to you? The question is to determine or what percentage of particles will settle down in the existing design of the sedimentation tank whose diameter is 0.05 mm. Then you can find out the percentage of settled particle. Okay. So how to find out here? Percentage of settled particle I can find here. Percentage of settled particle is equal to settling velocity of particle upon the settling velocity of tank So what is the settling velocity of particle for 0.05 mm? The settling velocity of particle is 0.1724 upon settling velocity of the tank. It is calculated as 0.111. Is it? Settling percentage, you are finding percentage, so need to multiply it by 100. Okay, multiplied by 100. So what is the answer now? Calculate the answer and tell me. It is 1. Calculate the answer and tell me the answer. You people can unmute yourself and can talk. Yeah, 155.3 answer given by Nikita Bhagwat. Whether all other members answer is same? Whether all of you have calculated the same answer? 155% answer. Is it? Is it? Who was talking? Okay. Suraj Javeri also given the same answer. So the answer is 155%. So here we cannot say it is a 155%. We can say particles whose diameter is equal to or greater than 0.05 mm will settle down 100%. 155% means it is mathematical value is coming 155%, means entire particles are going to be settled down in the existing design of the settling tank. Okay, so you can write down the answer as a particles whose diameter is equal to or greater than 0.05 mm will settle down 100% in the sedimentation tank. Okay, write down this answer. Gauri calculated 156%. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay. Now, over. If you have finished, then we'll go to the next point.
4.
Finished? Okay. Now, what is there? I hope everybody might have copied from the board. If not, I will give you 1 more minute. You can copy. And then we'll go to the next page. Over, guys.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now we will proceed. Now, same way you can calculate for the now you can calculate same way for the another particle size. So what is the diameter of another particle? It is d1, d2 is equal to 0.02 mm. Correct? Now, for 0.02 mm particle, first of all, again, you need to find out the settling velocity. Settling velocity is equal to 418 into bracket SS minus 1 into D square. Okay. Now here, 418 into bracket 2.65 minus 1 into 0.02 bracket square. So calculate the answer and tell me the answer in mm per second. And then subsequently in a centimeter per second. And then find out the percentage of settled particles. Is equal to settling velocity of upon the settling velocity of tank, sedimentation tank. Settling velocity of sedimentation tank. So what is the settling velocity of particle that you can calculate and tell me? And the settling velocity of sedimentation tank is 0.111 into 100. Here also into 100. So someone has taken out the answer. Let me check. 0.0275. 0.0275 in a, okay, it is in a centimeter per second square. So the answer here is 0.276 and here in a 0.02